Yes, today the young star Rele Mofekeng did his best, did his share in creating Buccaneers happiness as he managed to score 2 goals in the early of the first half versus Mamelodi Sundowns Masandawana in the highly anticipated Betway Premiership encounter at the Ionic FNB Stadium. Orlando Pirates were under the managerial guidance of Spanish football manager Jose Rivero, while Sundowns under managerial guidance of Miguel Gadoso. The soccer teams Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns played 48 games since 2007. Among them, Orlando Pirates won 15 games with total number for 45 goals, while Sundowns won 21 games with the total number of 62 goals, and 12 games ended in a draw. And today, the match was so tough. Orlando Pirates made 9 shots on target, while Sundowns made 17 shots. 6 were on shot on target from Orlando Pirates, while Sundowns made 1 shot on target. The ball possession, Sundowns managed the ball with 71%, while Orlando Pirates managed by 29%. Orlando Pirates made 247 passes, while Sundowns dominates the ball with 575%. And when we come to pass accuracy, Orlando Pirates made 70% of pass accuracy, while Sundowns made 85% of pass accuracy. When it comes to foul, Orlando Pirates made 11 fouls, while Sundowns made 13 fouls. Yellow card for Sundowns were 1, for Orlando Pirates were 1, for Sundowns were 0. No red card. Mamelodi Sundowns made 3 offside, while Orlando Pirates made single offside and 7 corners from Mamelodi Sundowns. And up to now, Mamelodi Sundowns sat on first position of the league table with 58 points from 23 games, meaning they win 19 games, draw 1 and lose 3, while Orlando Pirates sat on second position of the league table with 19 points from 14 wins, 1 draw and 4 loses. So it is only the matter of time to see who will win the Betway Premiership at the end of 2024